house is cool, but wait till you see what's out back.
Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long.
With over 9 private acres of wooded privacy in Baltimore County, whether you're hiking the miles of trails, taking a swim in the gunpowder, or hanging out by one of the hidden fire pits, this home isn't just giving you an opportunity, it's helping you create a lifestyle. If you're looking for privacy, adventure, and a piece of Maryland that's impossible to recreate, this might be it.